Hi everyone, I am back with a new video for you all today. I hope you're all doing well. In case you're new here, my name's Linda and I do post weekly about fashion, so if you're into that sort of thing, do consider subscribing to my channel and be part of our growing little family here. It is a very happy community, I think so anyway. And so today's video, I had mentioned it I think 2 videos ago that I ordered something online and I have it. Actually, I didn't order it online. I ordered it through my sales associate. And so there's a story there. I kind of built it up into a little telenovela. But yeah, so let's go straight into today's video. So I cheated on my Fendi sales associate with a Gucci sales associate. That's right, I built it up into a whole little telenovela. So what happened was, by the way, Coco's here. Say hi, Coco. She just wants to cuddle. Okay, so my Fendi sales associate had written me, and it was so he was just sending me all these things, and he sent me this really cute hat, and I was like, yes. I was like, yes, I'll take it. And like always, he's like, it's gone. And I was like, I answered in like 30 seconds. What do you mean it's gone? It's gone. He's like, sorry love, sold. And I was like, is there another one? Nope. I was like, can you tell me when there's another one? And he was like, yes. So now I really wanted a hat. Hi Coco, I love you too. So now I really wanted a hat. I would have loved, the Fendi one was white. I'll try to look for it in my phone and I'll insert a picture of it if I find it. But I feel like we've been texting so much back and forth, especially since like Black Friday and whatnot. But yeah, it was such a cute hat. Very like understated, not very like in your face Fendi. And that's one of the things I liked about it, because I feel like I can get so much more use out of things like that. But now I was really craving a hat. Couldn't have that one, so, and of course I've asked like 10 more times, like, did you get another hat? Nope. So I talked to a Gucci sales associate. She's amazing. And she was like, hat? Yeah, I got a hat. And so she had 2. And I really like the white one. But the white one was only available in a large. My head's not that big. And I knew I wouldn't be able to make it work. So I was like, alright, what do you have in like any smaller size than a large hat? She had the exact same hat in black. And so that's what I went ahead and ordered with her. And then I already went and picked it up. And I'm so excited. Coco, I might have to move you for this part. Yeah, she just got more comfortable. At least let me have my arm back. You could stay there. We'll leave you there. Okay, you just enjoy. So, here is the package. Ew. And I feel like I love their little packaging, how they have like that little bow. It reminds me of like when you buy something in Paris, like just any old boutique, usually they'll have like the little bow that's already attached to the package. And so you'll have like the little side handles to hold it, and then you have this for the little bow. I just think that it's such a small detail, but it's so cute, right? And so yeah, so here's the bag. And she was nice enough to put it in a box, because I don't, or do hats always come in hat boxes? Yeah, I could be wrong. It's my first luxury hat, by the way. Here is the receipt. Shall I tell you all the price? Yay. Not my proudest expenses. So this hat was Coco, what are you doing? This hat was $235. Yes, okay. Came in this box. Cute little box. And then you open it right. There you go. So you open it like that. I guess, yeah, it's just a magnetic closure. So I'm obviously keeping the box for like decor. Also, I realized I was building up that story as a telenovela. Not that dramatic. I'm just happy I got a hat. Okay, and so inside the box, I have this dust bag. Yay! I love dust bags. I am such a dust bag freak. Like, I hate when I buy something pre-loved and they don't give me the dust bag. I'm like, I know you're keeping it for yourself. Don't pretend you lost it, okay? Because I have like a million dust bags. Because like when I'll buy something, I'll be like, can you throw in an extra dust bag? And oftentimes, actually every time I've asked, they do, luckily. Whether it's at Gucci or Louis. Louis is so nice about that stuff. They're always like, anything you want. Like, they're so nice. So I usually just ask for an extra dust bag. Oh, I'm like doing this whole unboxing so wrong. This is the first time I'm seeing it too, but I got caught up in my story. Anyway, so out of the dust bag, here's the hat. Still looks a little big for being a medium, but make it work. It's adjustable, I guess. You like it too? I knew you would. So, it's got all this to keep its shape. And thingies. Whatever. These are responsibility. Okay. Okay. And made in Italy. And I don't see a size. But I guess... Oh, here it is. Here's the size. Yeah, medium. I don't really want to get makeup on it, but I want to try it on anyway. Okay, yeah, so it is adjustable, so I guess that should be fine for my head. I don't have the smallest head, but okay, so. Okay, I might have adjusted it too much. Can I really rock a hat? You know what, I'm going to anyway. What do you guys think? Ignore the tag. Gotta take that off. Okay, this is my first time seeing it on me and I love it. Okay, so this one is the one that I said also came in white and I loved the white. I felt like the white was more my vibe, even though like it could get dirtier, but I don't care. But again, that one was only in large, so all they had was the black. And honestly, I like looking at it there, I love it. Like I could picture myself like traveling or like at the airport, like being all incognito, like, or just having a bad hair day and you need to like cover it. Oh my god, I love it. Okay, let me put it in the like normal setting now. Did I get makeup on it? A little bit. Whatever, it's gonna happen one day. Oh, okay, even on the highest, the longest setting, it still fits good. Let me just tuck that in. I think anyone wants to see it like that. Okay. I love it, guys. I think this is so cute. I don't know how much this normally would cost. I'm assuming this was double the price originally because this is from the outlet. So $235, so I'm assuming it was closer to the $500 price point if you get it from the regular boutique. I love going to the outlets for things like this because, I mean, they have it. Like with Louis, you don't have a choice. It's either from the Louis boutique or pre-loved, whereas brands like Fendi and Gucci, they have outlets. So I'm like, might as well take advantage and see what they have. I've gotten some great things from the outlet. Like one of my favorite bags of all time was from the outlet. It's my bee bag and it's just so cute. Just has a little bee on the front, and I honestly, like, I don't know why more people don't go to the outlets. Like, I don't think there's any shame in going to an outlet at all. I go to like all of the outlets, Coach, Michael Kors, Gucci, you name it. If there's an outlet for it, I'm probably there. Burberry, that's where I got my card holder. And so yeah, so this one's from the outlet, so I think it's usually about half the price of what it is in a boutique, and I believe it because I could see people spending easily like $500 on a luxury hat. And especially like Gucci's been killing it. Like, have you guys walked by any of their boutiques, like whether it's the outlet or the regular boutique? There's like the longest line to get in, and I'm always like, oh my gosh. Like, unless I'm going in there with like a plan of attack, like I'm not gonna form the line just to look around, waste everyone's time. Just me lately because it's so packed. I don't remember it being like that before. So I don't know if they're just like super popular right now. If you know what happened, let me know in the comments below. I think they're just really popular right now. Like, people have really been obsessed with more logo and stuff. I mean, Prada's been killing it too. Gucci's been doing great. Balenciaga, like all these brands are just, it's like refreshed almost, especially Bottega. That's the one I've been lusting after. Also, I just realized I've been talking with this hat on and I'm just loving it. Let me know in the comments below, do you like the hat? I love it. I'm gonna also put the picture of the white version of this one, which I'm gonna tell my sales associate, if it comes in the white, I'll take it. Because I lately have just been loving hats. Like, I'm usually not that sporty, but lately I've been wearing sneakers and hats. Like, who am I? Welcome, welcome. I'm liking the new me though. So much easier sometimes, because I feel like before, if I had a bad hair day, I'd have to figure something out, whereas now if I have a bad hair day, I'm like taking out like my Levi's hat or my Adidas hat and I'm like, nope, problem solved. No one knows it's a bad hair day because it's like all poking out like a clown sometimes. But yeah, so let me know what you think of the hat. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Coco would like to thank you all too. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Do consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, and I will catch you all for the next video. Bye everyone. Bye Coco. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Bye everyone.